Welcome to Divine Arts of Food. In this video, I'll show how to make veg lasagna. It is an Italian-based dish. The sound of this dish may be new, but it is very easy to make, where we use mixed red and white sauce along with some mushroom stuffings with bread, which is usually baked one, but I will show how to make it in the same baked style but without oven. Let's get started. For the first step of mushroom stuffing, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 chopped onion which I have chopped finely, and cook this until it turns golden brown color. After that, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well. After that, add 1 chopped capsicum along with the toasted onions and cook this for about 2 minutes so that the capsicum cooks well. After that, add salt according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So mix these all spices well. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 200 grams of mushroom. I have used white button mushroom. You can use any mushrooms of your choice. Now mix this well with the spices and capsicum and cook this for about 10 minutes by closing it in a low to medium flame. So our first process of mushroom stuffing is ready. We'll move to the second step of making red sauce. For that, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 chopped onion. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add tomato paste. I have made paste out of 2 tomatoes. Mix this well. Now add 30 ml of water and give it a nice mix and bring it to a boil by keeping it in high flame. After that, keep it in medium flame and cook for about 5 minutes. Now add some salt according to your taste. And half a tablespoon of sugar. Now add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, which is nothing but omam or ajwain. So this will give you a nice flavor in the red sauce. Now add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Finally, cook this for about 2 minutes and our red sauce is ready. Now we'll move on to the third step of making the white sauce. For that, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of butter and allow it to melt well. Now add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and roast it in the butter well. Now add 150 ml of milk and mix this continuously so that there is no any lumps. So after it comes to a boil, it starts thickening. So after it has thickened well, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of oregano. This is optional. If you have, you can add. If you're not having, you can skip this part alone. Now add some salt according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper and mix your white sauce well, and now our white sauce is also ready. Now we'll move on to the final step. Our mushroom stuffing, red sauce and white sauce is ready. Now in a pan, oil brush the tray well and layer it with some bread slices. So after the first layer of bread, the second layer is the red sauce. After placing it, spread it uniformly. Third layer is the white sauce. Spread the white sauce uniformly. Now the fourth layer is mushroom stuffing. After mushroom stuffing, place the remaining red sauce and remaining white sauce uniformly over your mushroom stuffing. After placing these sauce well, layer with the bread again and place some grated cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your wish. After layering it with some cheese, drop some white sauce. For the final layer, cut the side portions of the bread. Don't waste it. Place it, and over that you can place your final layer of the bread. So why I am doing this is to give it a nice final finishing look of my lasagna. So now place the remaining grated cheese and top it with some capsicum and mushroom, and finally with some oregano and Italian seasoning. If you are not having this, you can even use chili flakes. You can bake in a preheated oven for 10 minutes, or you can make it in a kadai. For that, take some salt in a kadai and place a stand over it and preheat this for 10 minutes. After that, place the tray with our lasagna and close this and cook for about 10 minutes in low flame. So after that, our cheesy, yummy Italian lasagna is ready in our kadai itself, which I have baked it in kadai itself in a similar process how we make it in oven. See the several layers of this cheesy lasagna that I have made it with bread and yummy mushroom stuffing with mixed white and red sauce. So this is really an amazing dish. Don't think that it is an Italian dish so that you can't make it at home, and the name might be new for you all, but it is really very easy to make with the familiar ingredients that we are having at home. So with these amazing ingredients, easily available ingredients, you can make lasagna at home with my easy steps. So this each bite of cheesy lasagna is really very yummy. See the mushroom stuffing. each bite is filled with tons and tons of flavors. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. I'll see you all in my next video with similar exciting recipes. Until then, bye from the Vine Arts of Food.